What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going on a boating adventure. We got the boat absolutely packed and we are gonna go find a place to camp. And we're here. Alrighty, we just got the boat anchored up. We got our backpacks unloaded. We're gonna go find a spot to camp.
Oh, this might not be bad.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah.
Man. Well, it's supposed to get to like 40 degrees tonight, but God, am I sweating my ass off.
Right now, yeah.
Good to go. You gotta layer it though.
No, I will. Oh, wait, yeah.
Alrighty guys, we're back on the water and we're heading to a slough where we're gonna do some bass fishing.
So we're just posted up here on a little split off the channel. Seeing if we can get like some bluegill, a little carp, a little something for bait tonight, for live bait. Well, we catfish, we got a live well and everything, and then we're just doing a little worm, this little baby split shot, and casting in these little side waters, dead waters, seeing if we can't get something. We're anchored, but damn boat's rubbing up against a tree.
Alrighty, we just got back to the campsite. We're gonna work on getting a fire pit together. We're thinking about just putting it right here in this area because it doesn't have a lot of obstructions above it. So let's get together in some sticks and some rocks to form a little circle. So then we can have our fire like right here.
Do we need to go get all the fire starter from down there?
Probably. Okay, so update. There was no rocks or anything anywhere close, so we're just gonna use these bigger sticks and just kind of do a fire inside. Let's get some little sticks in here. Get yourself one too. So we brought some steak to cook, but we don't have a pan. So the next best thing is make some spears.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this fire is so hot.
Got the steak on our skewers. I'm gonna see how it goes, how it turns out, and get back to some fishing afterwards. Man, this is gonna be like a really long marshmallow, essentially.
Well, mine kind of fell in the ash a little bit, but it'll cook off. It'll cook off. Alrighty, it's a little dark, but the steaks are done. They're looking mighty fine. The fire is ripping. It was so hot we had to walk over here because we were sweating our butts off. So we're gonna eat these and then get back on the water. Alrighty, well, catfishing was a bust. We ended up packing up shop, coming back to the campsite, and now we're just hanging out. Got the fire back going. We're eating some chips, drinking some Dr. Peppers, listening to some music, just hanging out.
All right, guys, we're all finished up for the night. Got everything. I'm in my hammock, got some snacks with me. I'm gonna see how the night goes. Andrew's getting into his. Yeah, first night in the hammocks, gonna see how it goes, and we'll be back with it in the morning if my GoPro's not dead. Find out.
Alright, good morning, guys. It is 5:46 in the morning. We're out here. Josh has been up for a little bit. He has a little fire going. He's just over there kind of packing up a little bit. Apparently he's had a little bit of a rough morning, but wasn't too bad last night. I'm a little bit closer to the fire, so I can't lie, I started the fire like 2 times last night and it kept me nice and warm. But yeah, I'm just gonna wake up a little bit here. We're gonna go check on the boat, make sure it's still here. The boat is still here. That's a good sign. Not a bad morning view.
Well, Josh isn't feeling the best, so we're gonna just start packing up and getting everything ready. Oh. And I can't forget my potatoes that we forgot a pan for. We were gonna bring some foil. We remembered the oil, but not the foil.
Yeah.
And we can put some stuff in that other cooler. Alrighty, well, that's gonna do it for this video. We got the boat loaded up. We're headed home. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know if you guys like these styles of videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.